Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So if you are facing this kind of white screen issue on your laptop screen, in this video let's fix this issue. First, try to reset your graphic driver. So to reset your graphic driver, you have to press this control key, shift key, windows key and this B button. So you have to press all the four keys together to refresh your graphic driver. Now move on to the next method if you are still getting the same issue. Now press this control key, this shift key and this escape key. So you have to press all the three keys together, control key, shift key and escape key, to open the task manager like this. Now here in the task manager, in the process tab, you will see this option, background processes. So now you have to search for a background process called Windows Explorer. So scroll down and search for this service, Windows Explorer. This is the service we need, Windows Explorer. Now you have to right click on it, then click on restart. So this will restart the Windows Explorer service. Okay. And in the most cases, this will fix the error. Now move on to the next method if you are still getting the same issue. Now we are going to reinstall our graphic driver. So open this task manager screen again, and after that click on this file option, then click on this option, run a new task. Now here you have to type this command. Okay, so this command will help you to open device manager. Type this command carefully, then click on OK. Now you will see this kind of screen. So this is device manager. Now click on this option, display adapters, expand this option, and here you can see this is my graphic driver and this is my external NVIDIA GeForce driver. So select the first one, Intel graphic driver, right click on it, then click on update driver. Now here click on this option, browse my computer for drivers. Click on this option, let me pick from. So these are the drivers I have. Select the latest one, then click on next. So this will update, or you can say reinstall your graphic driver. Click on close. After that, cut this window and press and hold the power key to forcefully shut down your laptop and try to open your laptop again. Now move on to the next method if you are still getting the same issue. Now we are going to repair our Windows corrupted files. So in some case, if the Windows file is corrupted or your Windows files are missing, in that case you will get this white screen error as well. So click on this file option, click on this option, run new task. Now here you have to type a command, type cmd and take this option, click on OK. So this will open this type of a black screen. So this is command prompt. Now you have to type a command, sfc space / scan now. So this will scan your PC and repair all the Windows corrupted files. Press enter, and this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. So as you can see, verification process completed. Now type the next command, boot rec space / fix mbr. So this will repair the mbr file. Press enter. If you get any kind of error like this, don't worry, simply type exit, press enter, and after that click on this startup tab and now disable all the startup applications. So let's suppose if any application or any software is enabled in startup, simply right click on it, then click on disable. So you have to disable all the startup applications. After that, press and hold the power key and forcefully shut down your laptop, and again try to switch on your laptop again, and this will fix the white screen error on your system. This is all for the video. Thank you.